So welcome back to the channel. So finally jumped on fixing the transmission. Well, opening it up. Well, we found, well, I already assumed that it's gonna be this one, but we found it that it's correct. That it's the this one. It's the third, fourth piston. So if you can see that there's no resistance at all. So because this one actually pushes on this and then pushes on this set of clutches. So if you can see, the clutches are all burned. So that's the story. So we need to fix that. So pistons, but if you remember, for those who are following my channel, I actually was planning to install my my off-road transmission. I built an off-road transmission about maybe 7 years ago, and I just put it on every time I go off-roading. But then there was 1 year that I was lazy doing it myself, and I had to ask someone to remove it from my truck and then put on my street transmission, which is this one. And well, they butchered it. So I was planning to put it on maybe, I think, two or 3 months ago, and that's where I discovered that they butchered it. So the plan is to actually combine the two. This is the off-road transmission. I actually don't know what's the difference between the two. This is an M30 steering with a K and a 1, which is the street transmission, where, well, I forgot to tell you the story that it turned to a PRN222. So I lost third and fourth. So anyways, so this is, where's that? Also states M30, but it says 50. So I don't know which case should I use. I'm leaning towards the off-road transmission. So let me know, guys. I'm new to this game. This is my third time to rebuild the transmission. First was when I did the off-road transmission. Second was with the street transmission, and this will be the third one. So I'm fairly new to the game. I've been doing research and development. Well, I've been watching YouTube channels from precision transmission, from transmission bench, from Performa build something, and these are my mentors, and I'm fairly new. So that is what's happening. Well, comparing. So the ones on the top are the ones that is on the street. No, on the off-road transmission, and this is the street transmission. So the difference is that this has 5 planetary, and of course this is just a 4 planetary. Band, this is narrower, and the off-road is wider. And I think, because this is the drum for the off-road, and I think this is already messed up. I think I haven't put it on a straight edge, but it looks so burnt. What else? Sun shell. Where's the sun shell? There. Sun shell. This is a little bit. This is beefed up as compared to this, which is factory. This is factory. See the difference that there, this one there's a a buildup of material, and this is more. There's more material here than this one. So that's it. Pump, I still have to open this and compare it with this one, because I remember that I did something with the pump. And the same thing with this one. I think I did something, and well, that was 7 years ago, so couldn't really remember. But it's, if I remember it right, it was about Sonax and I also noticed that the output shaft, if you put it side by side, this is shorter, and that's it. I don't know if I can interchange it. This is the street one, and this is my off-road one. Well, another thing is, where is that? Here. This is your servo, Corvette servo from Monster. So this is actually, when I removed this, well, I was going to install it, and then I said, instead of install it immediately, I thought of inspecting it first. And then this is one thing that I found out. It is missing was it a Teflon? Well, anyways, that thingy. Yeah, no, it wasn't missing, it was broken. So this is the thing. So I'm sure I'm gonna put this in, but I don't know how to get this part. Should I buy something? Let me know again. Comment below. And because this has, I'm all over the place. Anyways, so those are the two things, or the three things, or anything. Let me know, what do you think, guys? Any of your comments will be very helpful. That's it. See you. Peace.